I will support you with a fat envelope. So that anywhere that you go, you pray for me and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Thank you very much.
Ebusia mamena wase na memo akwaba Emra GH report so na ebusia video ya wohwe Asante Mampong Municipal Chief Executive yitwantiawa ekano MC Hon.Yakubu Yusuf na ebusia oboanan ekopie mu wo abra SDA students a wo Aamusted Asante Mampong campus omo invite no se openi emfa nimonyam emetai dwumadia na omudi echi enti abra Hon.Yakubu ekopie mu na wode na nimonyam ekotai dwumadi n'echi no na etwagu na abusua hye zoma me se Hon.Yakubu ene wotimi etwen sika de hye envelope mu abusua na nye sika kuma akora ene eskuufo yi etimi eboje ne so na enya asem ketwa abusua ene die ne obokwa so yenkwai na yenkohwe Hon.Yakubu wa abra ekopie mu ene ensem hodo a opani no editudwa.
The military wing of the church is marching in the MC beautifully onto the podium. Honorable Hon.Yakubu, Pastor Dr. Lesenta, Japan, Pastor Henry Afuakwa, I want to welcome Honorable and his team. Honorable, you welcome. It has been a student fellowship and business since morning when we came. The Seventh Adventist Church here have a student fellowship who have spent 25 years on this campus. We've been told about the history and their intent.
Projects that you have in mind to prosecute, I will support you. But there are certain conversations we cannot say it in public. So I know after this program, your leaders will come to the office to visit me, and then at least 1 or 2 chats we will have it. So I pray that this program will end successfully, and I will support you with a fat envelope. So that anywhere that you go, you pray for me and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Thank you very much. And then I'll urge your leaders to come forward so that I do the presentation. And then if you do not see me again, it is not that I'm leaving you. We have equally about 7 or 8 programs to attend before the day break. So after this speech, maybe in less than 5 minutes time, you will not see me again. Thank you very much. A very fat envelope, it will support you. So please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And after this, I also need a big prayer for the President of the Republic, the Regional Minister, and the MC, so that we can handle Ghana very well. I cannot say it without also thanking Prof. Prof, thank you very much.
The 5th anniversary. Here in University, they marked their 55th anniversary last year. University of Ghana, 60th anniversary. And University of Cape Coast, 55th anniversary last year. And so our fellowships are growing. And personally, I'm amazed to see the numbers, because when we're driving in, I thought we were going to see just a few numbers, but we are told that we are over 400 Gnaas members here. And we really appreciate your coming, as well as the leadership of the institution, particularly the principal of the Aamusted.